All right, guys, so I am going to go ahead and do a video lesson for you. Today, I am going to be focusing on first grade standards and the subject of math. So my learning target today, or my objective, would be adding to 20, and make sure to explain to the students that adding means that we're putting things together, and adding, putting together, showing them that visual, getting them working and moving a little bit. Adding is putting together, and just letting them know that when we put together, all we're doing is simply adding on. So if we can count, which is something that we've been doing since preschool and kindergarten, we're able to add. So kind of get them a little excited. I'm going to count 0 to 20, touching each one-to-one correspondence as I go, just getting their brains going and working. Then we're going to go into the you do. This would be not have the answers filled in, but just for this sake, I went ahead and filled in the answers. I would read the problem to them, explaining I have 5 cookies, you have 7 cookies. If we put these together, how many do we have in all? What is our total? If we add them together, what is our total? So I would go ahead, one-on-one correspondence again, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Plus putting together 7, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. How many do we have all together? What is our total? If we count them all, put them together, go ahead and count each one by one. I have 12. Great job, guys. And we're going to go ahead and I am going to do 2 more of these examples for the I do, getting a little bit harder each time, teaching a little bit more of that vocabulary that goes with adding all together, in all of those things, making sure that they're hearing that, so they're starting to register that. Again, making sure we're saying put together, get the kids to physically be involved. Then we're going to go into the you do, or the we do, I'm sorry. I'm going to have the kids count with me 0 to 20, get them excited. Again, you guys know how to do this. It's easy. You've been doing this since preschool. Awesome. Let's continue to get stronger. And then I'm going to have the students log into their Kahoot. They'll have 3 problems in the Kahoot that they were going to be answering. The answers will come to me. We'll do them together, make sure that everybody's understanding, and keep moving forward through the 3 problems in Kahoot. Again, getting more complex as we go along. And then after they finish their Kahoot, we will break out into either small groups or individually, depending on what their IEP, their individual accommodations say. Some of them might work one-on-one with me for some additional time in order to get their IEP minutes in, but making sure that they have time to talk to one another, talk to me. I would leave the Zoom up. That way, if they need to raise their hand, if they need to conference with me, they can do that. And whatever the situation is, give them time to question, comment, concerns, all of that. And basically that would be how we would go through the lesson, just making sure that everybody's accommodations, everything are met, going through everything extremely slowly, carefully, one by one, step by step, letting them know all the different ways that they can, use coins, paper clips, ripped up paper, whatever they have at home, dots, whatever they need to do to make sure that this is working for them on an individual level at their house. So yeah, that would pretty much be my lesson and how I would run everything through. So the digital technology that I would be using obviously would be Zoom, the Jam board through Google, and then the Kahoot to make sure that I'm getting that individual progress monitoring before we get to the end product and they get a bad grade. So making sure that I'm helping them along the way and not setting them up for failure, and making sure that they're really understanding and grasping the concept before they have to do their individual independent work. All right, thanks for watching, guys, and I hope you all have a great day. Bye-bye.